Good morning students, my name is Akash Raghav and today we are starting our new topics for agriculture chapter for class 10th. In the previous chapters we have covered our primitive subsistence farming and intensive subsistence farming, and today we are starting with our commercial farming. So let's start. So as the name suggests, commercial means which is for the market, in which we want to earn money. Okay, there is no pressure to care for your family, okay, to grow the crops, produce the crops for your family, but you are growing the crops for the market. So let's start. It is a type of farming in which farmer produce crops for market. So farmer is basically producing crops for the market. Okay, for example, if I'm taking example, 100 kg of crop is there with farmer. So what he will do is 20 kg he will keep for his family and 80 kgs he will sell out or sold it in the market. Next is plantation is one such type. For example, tea, coffee, rubber. So basically plantations are found in South India, basically Kerala, Karnataka. Okay, so next is high doses of fertilizers are used for higher productivity, because the soil in southern states, it is not very much productive. So farmers have to rely upon high doses or high inputs of fertilizers and to get higher productivity. If they want to get higher productivity, they have to use higher doses of fertilizers. Next is chemical fertilizers, insecticides and pesticides. So they are also used so that there is no problem in productivity. Okay, because insects are there. Okay, rodents, harmful insects are there. So farmers used insecticides and pesticides along with fertilizers. Next is, for example, rice is a commercial crop in Punjab and Haryana. So rice is commercial crop. Basically farmer is, you could say, he is growing crops to sell out in the market, but not in Odisha. The reason is Odisha lies near coast. Okay, Odisha lies near coast. So, and you could say near coast there are fishes. So they also rely upon rice. They used to eat fish with rice. So this is the reason. So it is not a commercial crop in Odisha. Okay, it is a staple diet of Odisha people. Staple means main diet, rice. Next is plantations. It requires a role of a well-developed network of transport and communication. This is a very valid point. Plantations are basically when we are growing, you could say, one crop over a large area. It is called plantation. So it requires a role of well-developed network of transport and communication, because for example, if I am producing tea in a plantation, so for transporting tea from, you could say, from land to factories or to industries, we need well-developed network of transport and communication. Second point is produce used as raw material in industries. The produce, whatever they are producing, okay, it is used as raw material in industries. Maybe it is coffee, maybe it is rubber. Rubber could be example. Okay, migrant laborers of nearby areas are used. So migrant laborers, they used to work as laborers, so that you could say, for example, if I take example of tea and coffee, we need to pluck the produce from the plant. So migrant laborers are used, and it is a very, you could say, hard working job of a migrant laborer. Next is capital intensive inputs are used, machines and all these related inputs are used. So it is a capital intensive. Capital means that you need a lot of money. Okay. Next is a large tract of land is used. Large tract means large area of land. These are not, you could say, you are having only one or two field. A large tract, a large land is used to produce basically rubber, coffee and tea. Okay, and in Kerala you will find rubber and as well as coffee, and for tea, northeast area is good example. Okay, that Darjeeling area is very good example of, you could say, plantations of tea. So this is all for today. Please copy all these notes. They are very important. Thank you.